what if you could turn 80 coffee beans into custom capsules for your Nespresso or Keurig machine and save hundreds of dollars every year? Well, today we're looking into the XPOD Coffee Pod Maker, a device that might just change the way you enjoy pod coffee from now on. Let's go. Traditional coffee pods come in different formats and flavors, and they're extremely convenient when you need a quick cup. But there are two limitations with these capsules. Number one, they're expensive, not to say wasteful, with the average cost of a single pod being above $1. I know it doesn't sound like much right now, but we'll talk about how much you're probably spending in just a minute. And number two, you won't ever enjoy a fresh cup, as capsules are packaged and stored for months, if not years. So quality, fresh coffee is out of the question. But the XPOD promises to change that with the push of a button. This innovative coffee pod maker lets you create custom coffee pods using freshly ground beans, or any beans, your favorite beans, or the cheapest beans, whatever you prefer. This means you can enjoy your favorite specialty coffees, save money, and reduce waste all at the same time. And we'll see how that's possible in just a moment. With the machine, you'll get reusable pods. Unlike single-use pods, XPOD uses eco-friendly reusable capsules that are dishwasher safe and FDA approved. This is just one of the things that make it unique. You see, there are capsule makers in the market, but this one goes a step further. Let's take a look inside. At its core, the XPOD features a commercial-grade conical burr grinder that you can adjust depending on how coarse or fine you'd like the grounds to be. This adds to the flexibility of the machine, as it lets you adjust how concentrated or light the extraction will be. But what truly sets the XPOD apart is the auto recognition system, which we will talk about while using the machine. As I mentioned earlier, it works with Nespresso Original, Nespresso Vertuo, and Keurig style pods. With me, I only have the Nespresso Original and a Keurig machine to test them out, so I'll owe you that Vertuo. First, you select the type of pod that you want to make and place it on the pot holder. Let's try the Nespresso first. Next, add your favorite coffee beans to the hopper. And for this, I'll be using a medium to dark roast I've been drinking as espresso lately. And finally, press the button. The XPOD will grind the beans, fill the pot, and tamp it down. It will automatically detect the type of pod and adjust the grind time and the amount of coffee to match that pod perfectly. And while the XPOD is working, if you're getting any value from this video, please use this time to subscribe to my channel so I can keep helping people enjoy better coffee at home. After it's done, seal the pod using either one of the lids or the stickers and get ready to brew. As you can see, the reusable pod fits the machine just as an original. There's not a huge difference apart from the lack of waste. Now, without changing anything on the machine, let's try this again, but now with a K-cup. These are bigger, so the machine detects and adjusts the grinding time and the amount of coffee to fill it up. And there it is, freshly brewed with a Keurig pod. Who would have thought? Now it's time to talk numbers. Did you know that over 60 billion coffee pods are used every year in the US and Europe alone? Most of these pods end up in landfills, generating more and more waste every year. On an individual level, they cost a lot when you tally the numbers, which for many can just be a huge waste of money. So how will making your own pods impact you financially? Let's do some quick math. If you're using branded pods, you're probably spending about $1.25 per pod. For someone who drinks 2 to 3 cups a day, that adds up to over $1,100 a year. But if you make them at home, you can use bulk coffee. So let's say a 1 kilo bag of coffee beans will cost around $20, and that can produce about 200 pods. That's only $109 a year. So in theory, you could be saving over $1,000 by doing it this way. However, let's present a different scenario. Most likely what I will do. Let's say you want to switch from pod quality coffee to specialty coffee, which on average will cost you more, maybe $30 per pound or 450 grams. In this case, you're still saving over $700 a year in coffee. Of course, we need to factor in the cost of the machine. Right now, the XPOD is priced at $299, but at the time of the release of this video, the early bird pricing is dropped to $179, which is an incredible deal. So in the long run, you're still saving. Now, is the XPOD the right machine for you? I'm personally not a coffee pod drinker, for exactly the two issues I mentioned earlier in the video. I love specialty coffee, which is generally more expensive, but still way cheaper than buying pots. With these features and versatility, the XPOD might be bridging the gap between coffee pot drinkers and specialty coffee enthusiasts. And if you're someone who drinks pot coffee daily and wants to save money, reduce waste, or simply enjoy fresher, better tasting coffee, the XPOD can be a game changer for you. If that sounds like you, check out the Kickstarter and who knows, this might just earn a spot on your kitchen counter. Let me know in the comments if you will give XPOD a try. Thank you so much for watching.